Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
To begin, power on your new Samsung Galaxy Watch 2025. You should see a greeting screen prompting you to start the setup process. Simultaneously, have your Samsung Galaxy phone ready, unlocked, and near the watch. This single method ensures optimal performance and full feature integration, providing the most reliable connection possible. Get ready for a quick and straightforward setup. Once the official Samsung Wearable app is successfully installed, open it on your phone. Grant all necessary permissions when prompted. These are essential for your new watch to function correctly. The app will immediately begin searching for nearby compatible devices. Keep your Galaxy Watch 2025 active and within a few inches, approximately 5-10 cm, of your phone for the best results during this initial scan. A pairing request will then appear simultaneously on both your phone and your Galaxy Watch 2025. Carefully compare the 6-digit code displayed on both screens to ensure they match exactly. If these codes are identical, tap Confirm or Pair on both devices promptly, ideally within 30 seconds. This crucial step securely links your watch to your phone. The app will then display a progress bar as it finalizes the secure connection. It might take approximately 1-2 minutes for all initial data and settings to sync between your devices. Follow the remaining on-screen prompts on your phone to complete any final setup steps and personalize your preferences. Your Galaxy Watch 2025 is now fully connected and ready for immediate use. Remember, the Samsung Wearable app is the only supported method for a full connection. Avoid trying to pair directly via your phone's Bluetooth settings, as this will result in limited functionality. If issues persist, try moving to an area with less wireless interference. This single, dedicated connection process guarantees the best experience with your new Galaxy Watch 2025.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.